I didn't say a word.
I noticed. Thank you. I'm impressed. Still waiting for those guys. Alright, you guys ready? So come out and order your lanyards, and then leave about 2 steps in between each other, okay? If you guys feel a little brave, try to go no hands.
No hands?
Yeah. Okay. But do it at your own risk, because you might fall, and you don't want to, fall too far. Oh, if you do fall, by the way, make sure you actually do pick a side. Don't split the difference. Doesn't feel very good. You guys are doing awesome. A little wobbly. Get this tight. Down to the ladder. Cool, huh?
I know.
Yeah, it's not that easy right now.
Yeah.
Ah, there's the sunshine.
Come on over this way. Awesome.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know I was that far behind. My bad.
No, I don't know, nothing.
So now we're going for?
Actually, you know what?
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
worked it. I
come
don't
around this
know.
way. Ladies, head around that way just a little bit for me, okay? Hey, Mama, go this way for me, okay? Awesome. Alright, head over that way. Come on, about guys.
Your orange, you want to be mine?
Yeah, it's important that we're not out here too long because after sundown they turn the power back on.
Yeah.
We can't be on these cables.
Nope. Well, we can because we have suited gear for this, but you guys don't. Sorry. Come over this way.
Alright, this one's pretty long. It's over 500 feet long, but it's not too fast. More of a cruise. So enjoy the scenery.